Customizing your Microsoft Flight Simulator setup with custom gauges. This GAU file extends aircraft instrumentation in the simulator. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Microsoft Flight Simulator gauge files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier GAU file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. A plugin file used by Microsoft Flight Simulator to define the appearance and behavior of cockpit instruments, such as altimeters or airspeed indicators. Users and third-party developers create or install GAU files to customize aircraft panels, enhance realism, or add new functionality to simulated aircraft. A .gau file is typically a compiled DLL, dynamic link library, or a collection of XML and bitmap resources. This design allows the flight simulator to dynamically load and render complex, interactive instruments, separating the gauge logic from the core simulation engine for modularity and easy customization. Microsoft Flight Simulator from Microsoft Corporation should be your first choice when attempting to open GAU. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows lacks support for plugin structures, so safe use requires applications that fully understand them. To open this specific GAU file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Flight Simulator is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your GAU file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, installing in Flight Simulator. Copy GAU files to the Flight Simulator Gauges folder, typically located in the Simulator's Gauges directory under the main installation. Configure aircraft panel CFG files to reference the new gauges with proper position and size parameters. Restart Flight Simulator to load the gauges in the affected aircraft. Next, editing panel configuration. Modify the panel.cfg file in the aircraft folder to add references to your GAU gauges. Specify gauge file name, gauge name within the file position, coordinates and dimensions on the aircraft panel. Use a text editor to make panel.cfg changes, carefully maintaining proper syntax and formatting for successful gauge loading. Finally, migrating to MSFS 2020. Note that GAU gauges work in classic Flight Simulator versions, but not in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, which uses different gauge technology. For modern MSFS, look for updated aircraft and gauge packages designed for the new platform. Some legacy gauge developers have released compatible versions for current MSFS versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.